Hey, it's Moonlight, and welcome back to another video. In this video, me and my friends are going to be playing some horror games and reacting to them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more notifications in the future. So, enjoy the video! So this is going to be the first map. The first map is Ignited Freddy. So, I played this game a couple of times, not too many, so let's just see. And, let's just put him on and let's put him on. Yeah, don't ask why I got it. So, let's just wander through the dark to see what's up. Yeah, I played this game a couple of times. Oh my god! That was... I was not expecting that. Well, yeah, that was loud. Where are you at? Oh my Jesus, they're following me. I love horror games, but I hate jump scares. Well, that's the best thing about a horror game, is just the jump scare. Yep, he's on to me. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh no. I hate long hallways because they just get him closer to me. But yeah, the house is a very fun map to play on. It has more of a bigger maze, and it has more of like the world detail. So that's why I kind of like house a lot. Some of my friends play this game way too much for me. I lost him. Never mind. Oh god. Oh no, wait, did I lose him? Nope, I did not lose him. Oh, I'm sorry. I love FNAF. FNAF used to be one of my favorite games before I started to play Rec Room. So, I'm definitely a FNAF lover and a horror lover all at the same time. Stay back, demon! They've gotten faster. But yeah, Five Nights at Freddy's 4 used to be one of my favorite games due to just chilling vibes and all that. It was very fun. The sounds are definitely going to be copyright claimed. Is he still? Oh, he's closer. Oh god. But I love the infinite maze and I feel like I'm about to die. I'm so glad I did that. Like, they're so hard to maneuver now. The developer of this game, they made the AI go faster pretty much, and now I cannot maneuver him like I used to. It's scary. And I love the long hallway, even though that I might die from it. It's just I'm sorry. I'm sorry for looking back. I'm sorry for looking back. I'm sorry for looking back. Oh no. I'm sorry. No, hey, you can have my flashlight. I'm sorry. Never mind, you don't want that. I'm not even back now. Oh no, please. No, I'm sorry. Please. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna have to go to the maze. I can't see. I'm running blindly through the dark. Is my flashlight still here? No, it isn't. Oh no. I'm sorry. Oh my god. No. Oh, so yeah, That was like Night at Freddy. It was a very scary game because you had to keep running around in mazes. Those long hallways used to make my heart pound. But you should go give it a try. Ignited Freddy. And now let's head on to the next game. So the next game is the Black Corridor. It was a suggestion from another one of my friends, but I really never played this game, so let's see how scary it is. Alright. Oh, I can see you're a very slow walker. Ah, but you could jump very high. Let's see. Actually, if you glitch walk, this thing could go a lot faster. So let's see. Nope, I spawned backwards. Flickering lights. You know, the flickering lights always get everybody in that spooky vibe, so I kind of like it so far. Even though I'm only a skeleton right now. Oops. Spawn. Okay, I guess the spawn location is gonna be backwards. Ooh, a dark hallway. Interesting. I wonder what this is gonna lead us to. Oh, well, another door. Let's see, part 4. I'm just gonna walk back. Ooh, red lights and smoke and wind. Wind inside of a house? You know, it still gives off a spooky vibe. Who cares? Ooh, I can see a little bit of blood. Oh? I'm still. Is it rise? It's rising. Oh no, it's rising. Ah, no. I'm almost there. Nope, it's not rising. Let's see. Oh, another black hallway. This one seems a little bit spookier than the rest. Let's see. Oh, the walls are closing in. I just realized that. No, I don't want to be squished. No. Oh, it stopped. Oh no, it did not stop. Let's see. Oh, a lot of red eyes. I see. That's a lot of monsters watching me. A lot of monsters watching me. Well, let's see in part 8. That only got me because I was not expecting that whatsoever. Oh, 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 Lord. Ooh, flames. Circle flames. Oh, that's one big monster. More blood. I see. That could be like a game of hopscotch. Oh, no, my frames dropped a little bit. Oh, yep, he definitely got murdered. So let's see. Oh, red lights. Oh. What did he do to you? uh. More wind in another black hallway. Okay. At this point, I kind of prepared myself to see what happens at the end. Oh, open door. Let's see what happens. Oh. No, it dragged me in. It dragged me into the white door. Let's see where it takes us. Oh, another game of hopscotch. There's no more. I don't know why, but I had a sudden feeling that something was behind me for some reason. Oh. Oh, interesting. This is cool. That's cool. But red smoke, I see. Oh. Do I gotta dodge him? I'm gonna dodge him anyways. I don't know why, but that kind of reminds me of like one of the Lego pieces. Like not in a bad way, but like yo, when I was younger, I used to build a lot of Legos, and holy shit, that was used to be one of them. I feel like I'm walking way more slower. Oh, yep. No, 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 bad. No, stop it, stop it, stop it. I could actually get away. No, stop it. Stop. What? That that was creepy. No, stop it. Leave me alone. No. No. Oh, whoops. Did not mean to press that, but whatever. Oh, it was all a dream. But that was inside the corridor. Let's move on to the next game. The next game is Silent Hills. So this game kind of caught my interest. So I just wanted to see what really was up with this game. So let's see. All right. Oh, there's a barrier. Well, the best experience. Well, to 3 players and join a private instance. Thanks and have fun. Oh, that's cool. Silent Hill. Can I walk now? Oh, I can. Oh. That skull concerns me. The only me is me. Are you sure you're the only one is you? Oh, what? My head. Oh. Oh, God. oh, hey, chill out there, buddy. So let me guess, it's another. Oh, okay. I touched the door. So let's see. Oh, that gives off a spooky vibe. Alright, the time is 23:59. Hey, almost the whole day. Military hours or army hours. Oh, the swinging lights on the red door. That should concern me. Okay, the door opened on itself. I don't know if I should go, but I'm gonna go anyways. Is anything gonna happen? Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna go over here. You know, I'm just gonna buy my business. Oh, I'm in a loop, I see. I'm gonna hate that. Oh, Jesus. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I'm just gonna, I can't run. I'm just gonna quickly, you know, just. Part 3, let's see. No, stop. No, why? I don't know why, but that window seems, I don't know, I feel like something's gonna pop out that window. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay. Ow, my heart. That's gonna give me a heart attack. I can't, oh. I can't go into the door. So let's, I don't like this already. I don't like this. Oh God. I know that there's something gonna pop out that window soon. Shit. I'm just gonna quickly. I don't. What was that? Oh. I'm very happy I didn't go in there. I'm very. I'm just gonna make my way. You okay in there, baby? Oh, what? Okay. Oh, okay. That's normal. That's normal. That's normal. That's normal. I'm not gonna quit. That's just normal. Let me just leave. Let me leave. Let me go in the other loopy loop I'm in. Can I bring my flashlight with me, please? Oh, what the hell was that? I don't like that noise. That window, I know that window isn't just there for nothing. There's something gonna pop out that window and it's gonna get me. Don't you? What did I tell you? That is I'm just gonna Well, we're back. Let's see. Now it's just full on quiet. I don't like that. So I'm just gonna slowly make my way here. Oh. Seems normal. Right? Ow, my ears. Oh, part 7. Am I supposed to go in the bathroom? What am I supposed to look for? What? Okay, I'm supposed to do something. Let's see. What is it? This bathtub. Oh God. I guess it was something with that bathtub. I don't know. I don't know what just happened. I don't know. I feel like someone's gonna appear up there. Can I not leave? Okay, I'm just not allowed to leave ever. I'm just not allowed to leave. Can I bring that with me? Like, please? So what am I supposed to do? Something with this phone? No, this window again? No. Oh, never mind. Okay, well, you can open yourself. Let's see. Part 8. It should be 7. Okay. Oh, my frame's dropped. That I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't. Hello? 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 Please?
You've been chosen.
I don't know what you mean by that. Oh, hi. Can you open the door for me? Please? Okay. Why are you slowly walking away into the shadows? I just want this door to be open, please. Okay, I can't see anything. I'm just gonna. Where's the doorknob? Oh, it's over here. Let's see what this part is about. Okay, it's a little bit brighter. Still the same time somehow. Actually, never mind. We're in a loop, so. Oh God, Jesus Christ! What? What are you gonna do? What are you... Oh my God, Jesus Christ! Oh Jesus, no! Please, I hate spiders. I hate spiders so much. 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 Oh Jesus, please let me out. 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 Oh God, I hate spiders so fucking much. Oh God, Jesus. I hate you. 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 Please, 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 please. Oh God, hold. No, I hate that. Oh God. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh wait, let me switch outfits real quick. That's much better. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got scared too, because I surely did. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell icon for future videos too. So, I'll see you in the next video. Peace everybody.